Yeah, of course. Why not, bro?
Hello, sir.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great and well. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm very great and I'm very fine. I'm very fantastic. I'm very well. Just
Wow.
I want to know about you that how are you? We are meeting first time, no? So I am very happy that whenever I meet with new people, so I become very happy.
Yeah, obviously, sir. Actually, I also wanted to know about you before this conversation. But first of all, Happy New Year to you.
Yeah. Happy New Year to you. Same to you, my dear brother. Same to you. Very happy New Year and Mubarak ho New Year to you
Yeah, yeah.
also.
So, by the way, we are meeting for the very first time. So we have to start for this introduction, right? So, am I allowed to share my introduction?
Yeah. I would like to love to hear your introduction, bro. Just go
Okay.
carry on. I will listen carefully your introduction.
Okay, sir. Okay. So as you know that my name is Nikhil Soni, and basically I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation VSc honors in the stream of computer science, and now I am working in Indigo Airlines. Right. So these all about my introduction, short introduction, and now I would like to know about you. So please introduce yourself, sir.
Yes, of course. Why not? I would like to introduce myself in front of you, brother. Here, please listen carefully. Okay, so this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from Bihar, and I am a farmer, and I'm also a tuition teacher. And nowadays, I am learning English after joining this app. So it is my short introduction.
Wow, sir, you are a farmer and you are learning English. Wow, great. By the way, when did you start to learn this language? So, how did the idea of learning English comes in your mind? Please tell me.
Yes. I would like to share everything in front of you, dear brother, and please listen carefully
Yeah.
uh, of my advice. And so, when I was child, no, so starting from childhood up to the class 12, I was in Hindi medium, and I studied in Hindi medium only. So I am very interested in learning English from childhood to the up to this time, but I was Hindi medium, no, so that's why I couldn't speak on that time when I was in class 12 and before the class 12. But when I was in class 12, no, so I thought that I should learn English language because there was a very scope that time English language when I was in class 12. But nowadays scope is increasing day by day of learning English language. So on that time, I joined a coaching class center when I was in class 12. But the teacher taught me how to translate from Hindi to English. But after learning translation from Hindi to English, but they did not give me. They did not give me a lot, and translation give me did not help me a lot. And that time I also again I couldn't speak English on that time when I was in class 12. So my my journey of English was not completed by that time when I was in class 12. So after that, I completed my graduation, and after that, again I thought that I should learn English. So, but I couldn't understand what other people says in English. But from last 2 years, I have been watching South Indian dubbed movie in English. So from last 2 years, I have been watching a South Indian movie dubbed in English, and nowadays I am catching what you are saying, really saying, really telling, my dear brother. But I used to watch conversion video in YouTube channel. But when when one day when I was watching one video conversation in the YouTube channel, so I watched that two people was talking with each other, and I messaged him. So that person told me that if you want to speak English, so you can join. You can join the Skype app. After that, you can speak English with me. So I just downloaded a Skype app, and after that, I talked with that person. And after that, I have been continuously speaking English on this platform. 10 days before of the Durga Puja, I have joined this app, and after that, I have been continuously connecting with different kind of people, just like you and just like Abhay. Every day, I talk with three and more, four person every day, and now my English is good.
Wow, wow, literally great, great, sir. You are doing great work because as a farmer, you are learning English. Because I have seen many people, those who are like a farmer or anything else, working in a sector. So what they are working, but I saw many times they don't learn English. I don't know why, but you are literally you are doing great work. And as you told, your English journey was very difficult, right? As you told me. So I know that we are same zone, and we face different kind of problems when we learn English. And basically, as a medium, like a mediocre family person, if he wanted to learn this language, so they face some difficulties because we don't have that kind of environment, so we can learn English, right?
Yes, 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 yes. But today there is no environment in my village. But if I want to speak with any person, so they don't want to speak with me. But I this time I don't need any environment, because I have joined Skype app. No, so I after joining this Skype app, my dear brother, I am truly saying by my heart to you that after joining this Skype app, I have got a lot of energy, and I have got a lot of confidence after joining this app. I'm truly saying. Before that, I was not able to speak English in front of any person, but nowadays I am speaking in front of you, and the result is in front of you, my dear brother. You are seeing inside me.
Yeah, yeah, obviously, but your English speaking is very good right now, as I'm seeing. And I would like to say that one thing. Let's suppose we are in a like a same. We are also. I'm also from Hindi medium, and you are also from Hindi medium. So those person who belongs to Hindi medium, they face some kind of problem to learning English because. As a actually I would like to say that we don't have priority, right? So we can easily learn this language, but if we seen like other state, like those person who belong English medium or like a abroad country, so they have that kind of environment, so they can easily learn English, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Because English is not our native language. English is our second language, and nowadays English has become very widely used, and it is an international language. English is an global language. It is an English is an international language. So we all learners of Hindi medium are facing such difficulties. If we all learners were born in other countries, so this kind of difficulties will not come. So I can say that the child who belong to the America, UK, US, Australia, and other country, so they are not facing difficulties. But in Indian people, so, are difficult facing difficulties. Because why? Because we all Indian are only listening the Hindi language. One thing I am going to give you example, dear brother, that whenever one child are are borning in my family, so who taught that child to learn Hindi?
English.
Nobody is going to teach that child to learn Hindi, because
Yeah.
that our home child just listen from society, listen from me, listen from you, listen from their brother, listen from their sister, listen from their father and mother, and they are
Yeah.
learning English. Child is learning Hindi from us. Child is learning Hindi from surrounding. Child is learning Hindi from our society, and the
Yeah,
child is learning Hindi from our family member.
I'm
But
getting
so
I'm getting
so
your
we
point.
will have to. So one thing I want to give you suggestion, that if beginners are if Hindi medium, no problem, no problem. Today I am speaking English. That person can also speak English, no doubt. They can
Yeah.
speak English better than me. they can speak English better than you. Just have passion. Just have passion. And today, this platform is very good. I am giving to those person who belong to Hindi medium, just join as well as possible. Join this Skype app. I am always ready for him. I will give time starting from evening 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. also. I will
Yeah.
give time. And I will speak to them, and I will speak to them, and I will give you suggestion that how to start, because I have faced many problems. No, so but this time I am speaking to you, so other people can also speak English. No doubt, they can speak English better than me.
Obviously, you are saying right, and literally, I would like to say the one thing as you told me that we don't have environment right as you told, and our parents also don't know English. But if we talk about other countries, so their parents also know English, so they can help all our children. So easily they can learn English. But if in our country we don't have that kind of environment because our family, our parents, sister, brother, cousins, relatives, they don't know how to speak English, right? So this is the main problem, and we are not living in that kind of environment in societies. So there and we don't have also friend that kind of friend, so we can speak English, right?
Yes. But first thing, I want to say that as much as you will concentrate on listening, so you will have to increase your listening power. Okay. So after that, you will speak. One day you will speak. No need to speak, because any person in my village or in any Biharis are going to the abroad country. But before going to the abroad country, just like America and Saudi Arabia and Japan, UK, US, Australia, and Germany and Italy, just and France and Austria and Australia, they are going. But before going to the foreign country, he is not knowing English. But after living on that place, on foreign country, when they are returning to the India, they know very well English. Why? Because they did not learn any English, because they listened English from after living in the UK, US, and a foreigner country. So why you, but now they are speaking English, because they have listened a lot of English sentences from the foreigner mouth, because they
Yeah.
are speaking English.
Right, obviously right. So, by the way, actually, I would like to know about you that how did you manage your day? What did you do? What do you do in your working day? So, please tell me your daily routine.
Yes. Because this time I'm standing in a tomato field, and behind me you can see I am standing on the edge of the tomato field, and just I have come out from my home, and walking and talking with you. I just reached my place, and both I am doing farming and teaching. Also, I am doing in morning time, starting from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I teach a student of class 9 and 10, and after that I eat something, and after the just after eating, just I directly connect to you, and after dropping message, just connected to you, and I am just right now I am standing on the field, and after disconnecting this conversation, I will start my field work. I will pluck my tomato, and I will sell to the market.
Wow,
This is my daily routine.
you are a hard worker.
Yes.
Wow, okay. So, are you farmer and you are also like doing your work and you also teaching students? Wow. How long have you been teaching students?
Yes. From last 2 years, I have been teaching student of class 9 and class 10 of my village.
Wow, great. So, what is the weather right now in Bihar?
Yes. Weather.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to you want to take information about weather.
Yeah, weather like Mosham.
Yes. I got your point. But you know very well, my dear brother, that Bihar is belong to the North India. You know, no? Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, Delhi, MP, Haryana. Delhi, and
Yeah,
Kashmir belong to the North India, and you know very well that North Indian people facing the problem of cold, facing the problem of heat, facing the problem of rainy season.
yeah,
So this time cold is going on, and winter season is going on, and I am getting much cold. Morning time fog and mist was available in the sky, but this time after coming the sunlight,
yeah.
you can see sunlight is coming from the sky to the earth, and now I am not feeling much cold, and mist and moisture and everything just like fog has disappeared after coming of the sunlight from the sky.
Wow, wow. Okay, okay. So I would like to tell you that one thing. I would like to know. I would like to inform you about me something. Actually, when did I start to learn this language? So I have also faced many problems, and people as a beginner, people told me that why are you learning this language, and what will you do after learning this language? Right, because I know that learning English, there are so many benefits of learning English. We can do anything else in our life, and we can also do job in any sector. Like I'm doing job in aviation sector, but people also do job like going from abroad country. They go abroad country and there they do job, right? So learning English is a very good thing, and I would like to suggest you everything should learn this language. I don't know people why saying what will you do after learning this language.
Yes,
Right?
yes, brother, you are very true, saying to me that nowadays I have started speaking English in front of you, and whenever after joining this app, I have continuously talking with different kind of person, and nowadays people are gauging me of my village, and they are saying that this boy is speaking. What will do after completing their graduation? They are still standing and sitting in their home. They are living in village area. But what they will do? They have become mad. Their mind has gone mad. So that's why this boy is speaking English. Nothing will happen to their life. This boy totally become mad.
Yeah, yeah, obviously. And one thing, practice make man perfect. As you are practicing every day, you told me you have you did conversation like two or three conversation every day. Yeah, that is the great thing. I'm not able to do two to three conversation in a day.
Yes, yes, brother. But if morning time is not possible, evening time I will complete at any cost.
Wow, wow. Okay, so whenever I feel free, so I would like to contact you.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Most welcome to me. Whenever you are free, just drop a message and WhatsApp me, no problem. I am always ready to talk with you.
Okay, so now we are friends.
Yeah, yeah, of course. We are also friends. So,
Okay, so anything else?
brother, you told me in your introduction. You told me in introduction that you are belong to the Jhansi and Jhansi. So, and you are working job airlines company. It means
Yeah,
MNC company. You are doing job, no? But
airlines.
Yes, yes, Jhansi is very famous. And in when I was in class six, when I was in class six, so I read that Jhansi ki Rani, about Jhansi ki Rani, 1857, they did movement against
Yeah,
Britisher. She was first lady who who gave answer back to the Britisher in 1857.
yeah, right. And literally, he was a great lady, and I have great proud of Jhansi Ki Rani, and literally, people should respect that lady because they have did very worked hard in their life, right?
Yes,
And
yes, yes. See a struggle many times. See a struggle a lot of times. She did not have any baby. Okay, so I learned about the
Yeah, actually,
She was she was one lady who has who has answered back to the Britishers
Britishers
in Jhansi,
in
and they
18,
yeah she died. Yes, she died after giving answer to the Britishers.
yeah, yeah, obviously. So, do you want to ask any question to me? Uh,
Okay. So I think that I am just I have faced many problems while I was Hindi medium, and so I don't think that who are learners don't think that English is very hard. English is very easy because
is
yes, I was thinking. I also was thinking that English is very hard. But before joining this Skype app, but after joining this app, I am not thinking that English is very easy than the Hindi, and it is true.
yeah, yeah, obviously it's true.
Yes. But sometimes nowadays I am feeling, brother, rightly saying by my heart that English is I am knowing, and Hindi is I am not knowing. I am just feeling like that.
Wow, your native language is Hindi, but you know not knowing Hindi.
Yeah.
Just
I know Hindi. I am no Hindi, but I am thinking that I am going to forget Hindi because whenever I want to speak Hindi, no. So before speaking Hindi, English sentences come in my mind.
I'm just joking. Right now, I know. So literally, I'm feeling very good after conversation to you. Okay, so whenever you feel free, so you can connect me, and we will make video conversation for practice any days if you want. Okay.
Okay. Before calling to you, I will just drop a message personally in your ID. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Obviously.
Okay. Bye, sir. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take care. Bye bye.
Okay.